Welcome to the new Lagos train station. Yes, if you look up front, you will see by your right the Lagos train station. Yes, we want to take you on an inside tour of this beautiful station. Wow, it is huge. It is actually bigger than some airport terminals. Yes, all these places they are all fenced up because they are still finishing the remaining finishing touches. It will change the entire area. It will be a wonderful sight to behold when it officially opens. It will definitely change this beautiful motorway, the Murtala Mohammed Way. There should be an entrance here. No, they wouldn't let us in. Let's try up front. There will be more. There's actually one where that leads to the police station. From the same route into the police station, you can take it to the post office. Let's try. Oh, never mind. They wouldn't let us in. It's better we take the other one. We'll make the grand turn and enter through the main gate of the railway station. Yes, that would be better. Yes, that's where we're going to take this junction right here. We'll take right, and yes. And right one more time. This is the heart of Lagos, and this time around we are even surprised that there isn't much traffic. And finally, we are at the gate. Wow, we can't wait to see the inside of this beautiful train station. Wow. It looks like this is the end of the road. Yes, that's the police station, and we will now finish our journey by foot. Wow, this is beautiful to behold. We can't wait to see the inside. Let's go. Wow, how lucky we are. There's a train in the station and we will take a tour inside the train. Wow, as if we knew that the train will be here by this time of the day. Wow. This platform looks nice, really nice. Wow, very nice looking interior. Look at that eye, look at those lights. Wow. And there's a small kitchenette, ooh, to serve you guys hot snacks. Is this VIP or yes? It looks like this is VIP, and some gauges, pressure gauges, and a screen. Wow, beautiful. So this is the exit. When people come out from the train, they take up the stairs and cross this bridge, then get down the other side. Yes, the quality of work is very impressive. It's exactly the kind of things you see abroad. Yes, kudos to whoever, of course that's the federal government and the Minister of Transport. The transport minister was actually here a few days ago, so we said, because of that, we said let's come and take a good tour of this place, and it's looking nice, very very serene. The design, the architectural design is superb. Wow, look at this place, this hall with some air conditioners. That's a central air conditioner. This is a sky bridge. You link from one terminal to the other. Yes, it's a link to the two terminals. They are all written exits. Wow, this is beautiful. We can't wait to enter the inside terminal, the hall. Wow, this is expansive. As you can see, it is really big, bigger than some airport terminals. Wow.